Is that all she wrote?
Wow, they went all out this year.
Cool.
Okay.
That was pretty cool.
That was awesome.
Yay!
Awesome, hey.
Woohoo!
Now we're living it. Nice.
Just think, we owe all this to Francis Scott Key's song, "The Bombs Bursting in Air."
Yeah, but you know, to try the little that they shrink. Say, okay, let's go.
Those are big sky flowers, huh, Jack? There's that thing again.
I think that's the wise way of doing it. They might shrink fast. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, yeah. That was a lot of fun.
Those are cool.
Woo!
Nice. They shoot up like 50 of those at a time. 50.
Oh, I got those off. Whoa!
You guys have some pretty good finales.
Yeah. Those are the $300 days.
5.
Yeah, we don't do those days.
And then back again.
Yeah.
I must say, in my diary, you will have always been the one that provided the best home fireworks. Yeah, RJ, I can't believe you spent all this money this year. It's just incredible. How generous of you.
Nice.
Woo!
Yay!
Woohoo!
Woo! Ah!
Hush, Uncle Rick.
I like the ooh ah.
Not that it's off.
Ah.
Remember, Nate, do you remember being on the beach?
I do. I was actually just thinking about that.
Yep.
I remember, like, I think I just remember one 4th of July, which is probably our last one.
That was the bicentennial, 1976.
Yep.
Awesome.
That's a pretty cool.
I'll never
place
forget
to
it. That
watch
was
fireworks.
huge display.
Wow.
Did you like that picture of us? Me and Ron.
That's Pokey. I got that dog.
It looks like a beagle.